Hey, Antonio. Basanyo? It's been so long. How the preparation of the wedding going?
Shayla, I will repay the debt tomorrow. I promise.
A deal is a deal, and a promise is a promise. You promise to pay the money by today. Fail to pay up, you give your word to give me your shop. So your shop is mine.
My shop is way more expensive than that.
Thought of that before pledging your shop to me. Now, get out of the way.
Shayla, wait! Here, 50 ducats that Marciano owes you.
No! Why should I take your money? Marciano was supposed to pay up by today.
And today is not over, Shayla. It is still hours before sundown. So here's the money. Leave this shop alone, as I shall complain about you.
Thank you so much, Uncle. I shall certainly pay you back tomorrow. I promise.
I'm sure that, Marciano.
Antonio, you are something that must Shayla hate you.
Forget about him. How are your wedding presentation going on? Alright, they are going good, thank you. Is there a problem, Basanyo? No, everything is fine. You and I are friends. Tell me what's wrong.
I was expecting some money this week, but it won't come for the next 5 months at least. I have already made purchases that I have to pay up for.
How much?
3,000 ducats.
That is a lot of money.
I know I had purchased a ring for Portia, and we wanted to have a feast for 500 poor, and after them wedding, for our gifts, but now I don't know what to do.
That is so noble, Basanyo. I would have gladly lent you the money back. Even I do not have 300 ducats at this moment, but my ships will come back in 3 months, and I shall have 1,000 ducats then.
By then, it will be able to late. The wedding is next week.
I might have an idea. Come with me.
Oh, Brother Antonio. Had he not interfered, always meddling in my affairs. Shayla? No, Antonio. I won't let you take money from Shayla. You know what a cheat he is.
Once all my ships are back, I shall be able to pay the 3,000 ducats easily.
Shayla? Antonio.
I need some money.
You who goes about donating money to ruin my business? You need money?
You are unfair, Shayla, and you know it.
3,000 ducats? It's my chance to ruin Antonio and get back at him for all the time he has insulted me and spoiled my plans. Fine, I should give you the money at no interest.
But if you cannot repay the entire amount within 3 months, everything that belongs to you shall become mine.
Antonio, let's go. Don't worry, Basanyo. My ships will come back in 3 months.
This is downright cheating, Shayla.
They are all started from Africa. We have nothing to worry about. We need the money now, friend.
Deal? Thank you, Antonio.
Come on, Bassanio.
None of this would have been possible without you.
How could I not help in such a noble celebration of a wedding?
No, really, Marsha, Antonio is everything he has.
With that evil Shyla, just to get us 3,000 ducats for the wedding.
What? Will you let him do it, Bassanio?
Master, there is a message from the court for you.
What in the world? What is it? Well, Shylock has asked me to appear in the court tomorrow, where I shall be tried for not returning his money.
Is it time already?
I am sure we have at least 10 more days before the date returning of the money.
Forgive me, Master.
Certainly, Rebus. What is it?
Sir Lord Shylock has been now as change date is a contract.
Wait! You can't arrest him like that.
In the court tomorrow.
And Lord Shylock Thunders wants him to arrest, so he does not run away.
Oh!
What happened? Antonio's ship? What? There was a storm in the sea?
Yes, the ships. But Shylock will not wait another day. And with this message, my friend is doomed.
What do we have here? Gentlemen, Lord Shylock versus Antonio. Let the proceeding begin.
The case is quite simple, Your Honor. At the time I lent the money to him, Antonio owes me 3,000 ducats. Promise me that if he didn't return the money by today, everything that belongs to him will be mine.
He has cheated on the date of the contract, sir.
Quiet, Thunder. Will you please show me the contract?
Here it is, Your Honor.
The Antonio's property is worth much more than 3,000 ducats. You just take some.
Sorry, sir. He himself has signed the contract. A deal is a deal. A promise is a promise.
Mr. Antonio, how could you even sign such a preposterous deal? Thunder, reconsider. It is inhuman.
Your Honor, it's perfectly legal. Is for Antonio to honor a legally signed contract and honor his word.
Mr. Thunder, Shylock is right, Your Honor. Mr. Antonio must honor the contract he himself signed. Mr. Thunder, as per the contract, if Mr. Antonio does not pay the required amount today, everything that belongs to him, it becomes yours. Right?
That is right.
Do not wish to reconsider.
Not at all. A deal is a deal. A promise is a promise.
Your Honor, with that all of Mr. Antonio's losses at the sea belongs to Mr. Thunders and shall be burned by him.
Losses at sea?
Yes, see for yourself. This arrived this evening. There has been huge storm on the coast of the Mediterranean Sea. From where his ships were to arrive, you will have to bear the losses, which might be the tone of 20,000 ducats.
Not. Never.
Says you shall own everything that belongs to Mr. Antonio. In fairness, it also means of the profits and the losses that belongs to Mr. Antonio.
This is cheating, Your Honor.
You will have to bear all of Mr. Antonio's losses.
Forgive the 3,000 ducats. Do not want my money back or the contract.
Enough, Mr. Thunder. The behavior proves that you deliberately indulge in a contract, which you know to be unfair.
Go.
This puts a serious question mark on your honesty and integrity. Therefore, this court bars you from entering into any father's contract till or your dealing are thoroughly investigated. Take him away, officers.
All my ships are lost in sea.
There was a storm in the sea. Just come home with me, Antonio. You need some rest.
I have lost all my ships.
Yes, I'm afraid.
Why are you laughing?
Give me a minute, Antonio.
Bassanio, who was the lawyer who came to the court to defend me?
You want to meet him? Here she is.
Portia, that was you?
Yes, and sorry about your loss.
What is wrong with the two of you? Why are you laughing? I have lost all my ships.
Oh, you did not lose anything.
At the terrible storm struck the coast of the Mediterranean Sea. At 10 hours much before the storm arrived. At 15 hours?
Your half is here.
But do not worry, Antonio, sir. Out of the area. We will arrive in Venice by the 20th of this month.
Showed only the message of Shylock. Again will Shylock dare to take. And deal is a deal. A promise is a promise.
My friend Bassanio is lucky man to have married a wise, intelligent, brave and righteous woman like you. Thank you.